Alright people, so what you see in my hand is like a USB Type C 65-watt charging cable. So the company had to give this to me because the one that I had, it broke. So I claimed with them in a warranty. So they shipped this to me and I want to check it if it's okay. There it is. So it's 60 watt and it has 3 cables in it. Should have brought my cutting tool. Let's see if I can peel it off. It should come off. I don't know what's holding it still, but yeah, this is I've been using it for a while, but one of the great thing about this, it comes in with a factory warranty. There you go. So pretty solid quality 3 cables for charging. It's a braided. There you go. And one of the cool thing about this is like a fast charging. It supports fast charging, and it's pretty long. It has 3, and it's even cat bite proof. So if you're looking for a cable, this is it.